We are learning to write a procedure. A procedure is how you tell someone how to do or to make something. A procedure tells us what needs to be made or done. And to do this, we need to just let people know with a title what is going to happen with the finished product. We need to have a list of ingredients or things that you need to complete your task. Sometimes they may look like some ingredients. Perhaps they're going to be utensils, the things that you use to make your whatever it is. Might be the materials that you need and the tools that you require. The last step for a procedural type of writing is to list the steps in order. So in this type of writing today, we're actually going to have numbers down our margin. And this will help us decide how to make whatever it is we're going to make. Here is an example of a procedural type of writing. Here we have our title, where people can tell what we're going to do. Today we're going to learn how to brush your teeth. How to brush your teeth properly. In this section here, we have our materials or things that we need. It says you will need, and then there's a little bullet point, a soft toothbrush, you will need some toothpaste, and you will need some water. Down the bottom here are our numbers. So this section is our steps. This is where we tell people exactly what to do. And we can see here it says even those words, what to do. Number 1, we're going to squeeze some toothpaste onto the brush. Number 2, we're going to add a little water. Number 3, gently brush each side of every tooth. Number 4, gently brush your gums as well. Number 5, rinse your mouth with water. We don't put any opinion into a type of procedural writing like this. We are just stating facts. Facts about what you do to complete that task. And sometimes at the end of your story, at the end of your procedural writing, you might like to put a little fact down the bottom here. And look at this one, says brush your teeth after you eat and before you go to bed. So that just gives someone a little bit of information with how you've made your, or how you've brushed your teeth. So just to recap, a procedure is the how to do something.